Hi, I'm Andrew Armstrong and welcome to the back office. If you recall from an earlier video, I was actually at CES, and while I was there I did a negotiation and got a whole load of these ear headphones, and I just wanted to share these with you because you might see them on eBay. And look out for them with this sort of design, you know, the plus minus telephone thing, because they kind of loop around the back of your neck, and maybe I can show you that. Look, there you go. They loop around the back of your neck and you sort of pop them in, and in fact that's the right ear, and they work super good. So you pop them in like that and they just stay in, and they're kind of like a weird sporty earbud type thing, and you've got the buttons. This is really hard. You've got the buttons right here that you can press. But what I wanted to show you, they kind of the bit that makes them super useful though is that they work really well. They sort of pair with your phone, and they pair with the laptop. And for me, if I want to use them on the laptop, if I just turn off Bluetooth on my phone, they jump straight onto the laptop. So they seem to be able to be paired with multiple devices at once. They do have this little knick-knack. See it right there? There's a little dimple cut out of that. I think that's to help you identify the right-hand side one. And I'm going to sort of pay more attention to that when I'm fitting it. But what else they have is when you put them around your neck, they actually have magnets just to keep them around there. So that's sort of looped around, and this bit's down the front. And I kind of normally just throw these down the front of my jumper and just end up wearing them all day. The battery lasts for ages, and if you've got it on your phone, you actually get a battery meter in your phone telling you how much charge is left in these. And I haven't had them run out yet. They just last for ever, really. They've got USB micro on the side to charge them, so that's right there. And you'll probably have some of those from your old smartphones. I know it's all USB-C, but you'll have those ones, that's fine. And then here, very gently, I've actually cracked one open and done my own little mini teardown. But look at that, there's electronics gubbins in there. It looks though maybe ever so look at that. Is that a capacitor or a battery? No, that's a lithium-ion battery. It looks like a capacitor, but that is a lithium-ion battery in there. That is phenomenal. There you go. Look at that. It's just almost like a super cap or something. Insane. Wow, I thought the battery was in the dongly bit, but no, it's the bit that goes in your ear. See if I can get that back together now. I want to sort of compare it to the other side, make sure it's all lined up. Don't want to break it because I'm kind of using it, and I actually have been using it whilst running. It is actually comfortable and does work well for that. So that's that side. I wonder if the other side's the same. Oh, gently. Yes it is indeed. You've got a battery and a circuit and everything. Wow, isn't that a thing? Now, I won't be able to really have a proper analysis of this until I get to the teardown lab, where I can sort of work in a bit more better conditions here. But something that really interested me at the show, there was a company selling basically these in metal, it's sort of titanium, and they were saying we are the world's first noise cancelling titanium things, but it was exactly this. I'm pretty sure it's actually the exact hardware. But what they had, which is slightly different, they had alternate ear cups that you could do, which was, you know, the foam sort of ear defender type where you squeeze them and shove them in your ear hole and they expand. So maybe when they actually release that product, they said they're not being released till the summer, you might be able to get their ear pieces and fit them on this if it's a problem. But really, these just do work really well. They don't rely on your ear hole to actually stay in place as well. This little thing fits in that little sticky out doodad in your ear and keeps it all in place. So I've probably used this for probably running about 10 miles, and they stayed put. So if they run for me, nothing fits in my ears, they'll definitely work for you. So go on eBay, check them out. I got them for about $5 each. So I suspect you'll pay a little bit more, but I don't think there'll be any more than $10. It'll definitely be under $10. So don't pay any more than that, or £10. And then let me know how you get on with those. So hopefully that's helped you out. And if you're a runner, you'll enjoy this as a solution for you. Please let me know how you get on with it, and all the best. Thank you for watching.